बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामुअलैकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 19 जनवरी 2025 के अखबार में। पोजीशन ओपन अकाउंट्स ADDN कंस्ट्रक्शन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ट्रेडिंग एंड सर्विसेज कंपनीज कॉन्टैक्ट फॉर योर स्टाफ ट्रेनिंग accounts computerization sales tax automation problem solution through reliable powerful software QuickBooks Tally Peachtree All Pakistan 0300 8942 0300 8942 taxation assistant requires qualification inter commerce or BCom. Salary 45K to 50K, experience 3 to 4 years, e-filing, sales tax and income tax. MNGGR accounts at khanfoodproduct.com. We need an assistant accountant for our company at New Karachi Industrial Area. Experience minimum 5 to 6 years, qualification BCom, age maximum 35 years, good salary package. Contact email infotextile001@gmail.com. infotextile001@gmail.com. We offer you our services for preparation of books of account for income tax and sales tax. Please contact us. Cell number 03172041 03172041 and 0333222582 0333222582. Zahir. Our reputed company is seeking an accountant with expertise in income tax and sales tax. Interested candidates, please send your CV to the email address provided below. मोबिलिन NG क्या लिखा हुआ है NGLOBA, ये मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा। मोबिलिन ग्लोबल INC07@gmail.com. Computers, we need a computer operator for defense office who knows how to create GD on webhook and PSW. Defense and nearby residents preferred. Contact. Interested candidates, please WhatsApp your complete CV. Phone 03353927 03353927 General. A well-reputed logistic company is looking for quality assurance specialist having minimum 8 to 10 years experience of working in any well-known logistic company. The ideal person should have a bachelor's degree and must be a dedicated professional with a strong commitment to maintain high quality standards. Handsome salary with benefits will be offered to the selected candidate. Please send your CV along with latest photograph at jobs.007@outlook.com or WhatsApp 0305825511 0305825511. We are hiring a well experienced holder at least 10 years of working experience and MSc. Also have 10 years experience for QC control department. Apply with detailed CV, copies of degree/certificate/diplomas and 2 recent photographs through mobile 0300 8285 655 0300 8285 655. A multinational company requires male staff for email operating education minimum intermediate punctually compulsory age limit 25 to 35. Handsome salary. Email your CV at azharkhan314@gmail.com azharkhan314@gmail.com. Need law graduate and senior female receptionist in DHA phase 2 office required. Who residence near will be a prefer. 03332190 03332190 Hiring reputable event management company. Job description: client dealing and booking experience required 2 years experience. Qualifications: undergraduate. Skills must have basic Microsoft Office knowledge to apply. Send your CV to us at ballroom19floor@gmail.com. Office assistant BCom under 30 with minimum 2 years experience of handling MS Word and Excel in media organization. Ability to self-correspond in English preferred. Email CV to National Advertisers KHI@gmail.com. Renowned security company DHA Phase 2 Karachi requires following staff. Number 1 Colonel/Major retired, General Manager and 2 Chief Supervisor sub/have retired with 4 to 6 years experience in private security company. Send CV with latest photograph at jobs@pacificgroup.com.pk. jobs@pacificgroup.com.pk. Required 1 principal for charitable school in Korangi, 6 to 7 years experience. 2 hospital administrator, 6 to 7 years of hospital administrative experience. 3 hospital nursing supervisor. 4 office assistant with 1 to 3 years of relevant experience. Email hopekarachi@gmail.com. 021-322-39930. 021-322-39930. Mention position in the subject line. Required personal assistant for director of a textile export oriented organization located in Korangi. Computer literate, corporate and spoken English a must. Please apply to email at pajob647@gmail.com. Required purchaser for departmental store at Sharai Faisal. Contact 03212085-304. 03212085-304. The America Pakistan Business Development Forum. MPEG BDF is hiring an experienced office secretary to support the chairman, president and secretary general. The role involves managing schedules, correspondence, travel arrangements and liaising with diplomats, embassies and government offices. Candidates must be fluent in English and Urdu, have strong organizational and communication skills, and maintain confidentiality. A bachelor's degree and administrative experience are preferred. Apply by sending your CV to careers@mpeg-bdf.com. We are hiring motivated/fresh/experienced professionals to drive business growth. Education inter/MBA/BBA. Send CV WhatsApp Zaman 0316-314-8289. 0316-314-8239. Email sayyed-sharzaman5@gmail.com. sayyed-sharzaman5@gmail.com. The minority will be encouraged. Furniture factory required 2D/3D designer. Candidate should be experienced related furniture field. career@mehnati.com. मैनेजमेंट की जॉब है. लीडिंग टेक्सटाइल एक्सपोर्ट ओरिएंटेड कंपनी लुकिंग फॉर अ GM फैक्ट्री. कैंडिडेट्स should have at least 5 to 7 years of experience in the relevant field and the skill to making and implementation systems, policies, procedures and related work. Key responsibilities include overseeing all factory operations, developing and managing performance metrics, ensuring compliance with safety and industry standards, and driving continuous improvement. The role requires excellent leadership skills, the ability to manage cross-functional teams and a result-oriented approach. Please send your CVs at vacantf341@gmail.com. vacantf341@gmail.com. A well-known restaurant of Karachi requires shift manager, GROs, order taker. All candidates must be having an experience for 5 years in any renowned restaurant. Handsome remuneration will offered. Contact 0321-255-546. 0321-255-546 or send your resume at mahmoodshamsi09@gmail.com. mahmoodshamsi09@gmail.com. मल्टीपल की जॉब है, होटल स्लैश गेस्ट हाउस, मेल स्लैश फीमेल, एक्सपीरियंस्ड स्टाफ रिक्वायर्ड एट गुलशन इकबाल, अकाउंटेंट, रिसेप्शनिस्ट, हाउस कीपिंग, ऑल्सो मेल स्लैश फीमेल, मार्केटिंग स्टाफ रिक्वायर्ड फॉर कमीशन बेसिस, कॉल स्लैश व्हाट्सएप 0331266662 0331266662. Reputable company urgently required intern, sale, HR, marketing and biomedical engineering fresh candidates who have relevant education background. Apply to jabin.studio@gmail.com or WhatsApp 030388781113. 030388781113. Kindly mention the position in subject line. Required 3 to 5 years experienced staff for knit garment factory in Korangi. Number 1 production manager, number 2 quality assurance manager, number 3 production planning manager, number 4 HR manager, number 5 senior merchandiser, number 6 assistant merchandiser, number 7 floor in charge / supervisors, number 8 grey fabric checker / in charge, number 9 finish fabric checker, 10 internal pre / final quality auditor, 11 cutting in charge, 12 store in charge, 13 Q/C, 14 assistant accountant. Email hr.knitwearfactory@gmail.com. Mobile number 0325354033 0325354033. We are seeking competent qualified staff, male / female, for positions of 1 HR, 2 audit trainees, 3 audit supervisor, 4 account assistant, 5 lady receptionist. Eligibility: minimum qualification inter / BCom, at least 1 to 2 years of relevant experience, strong knowledge in the respective field. Interested candidates are requested to send their updated CV along with a recent photograph to securedjobs@gmail.com. टेली ऑपरेटर की जॉब है, फीमेल टेलीफोन ऑपरेटर / कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटर फॉर सोर्सिंग केमिकल एंड इंजीनियरिंग बिजनेस और career@gmail.com. WhatsApp 0322284153 0322284153 and 032828461009 032828461009. तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।